balloon.
Okay, come up. Teacher show the magic. Magic, magic, oh my magic.
We can do, teacher.
How to inflate balloon with using empty bottle. We need to open this baking soda and put inside the balloon. First of all, we need to fill up this bottle with this vinegar. We need to put half vinegar.
Ten seconds later.
Hi viewers! Don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you subscribe, you get more notification about us. Don't forget to click the red button. Now, let's continue our video. Hakim, help teacher to put baking soda in the balloon. Can? Okay. Now, Hakim, hold this one.
Okay.
Okay, hold. Teacher want to put this balloon. Okay, now let's see the magic. Are you ready to see the magic?
Yes.
Okay, now teacher hold this one. Okay, now teacher hold this one. You take the balloon and hold like this. Wow! Can you see the balloon blow ready? Without bee blow. See, big ready balloon.
Yeah.
You want to see more magic like this?
Yeah.
Yeah! Let's subscribe our channel for our more videos.